In Seattle, about 1,000 misdemeanor cases are going to be dismissed.
That's after the city attorney decided to nix community court. Fox 13's Zach Anders here to explain the reason behind those dismissals. Zach?
Well, David, community court was supposed to quickly resolve these misdemeanor cases, connect offenders with social services, and require community service instead of jail time. But the city attorney's office says that hasn't been effective.
I know that dismissal sounds really drastic, but there is no appreciable difference between dismissal and the absence of consequences for these defendants in community court.
It was an agreement meant to be an alternative to time behind bars. 24 different kinds of misdemeanors automatically routed towards services instead of jail time if participants completed the course. But that's the problem. The city attorney's office says most defendants failed to, quote, engage with court resources, resolve their cases, and never performed even the minimal 6 hours of community service.
Either way, as a victim or a survivor, I would be frustrated with any result.
It's why the city is choosing to end the agreement. As a result, roughly 1,000 cases will be dismissed.
What I'm trying to say here is that essentially, at this point, there have been no consequences for any of those cases. I'll just reiterate, there's no real appreciable difference between a dismissal and the absence of these cases languishing. Our oldest case has been in community court for 32 months.
Criminal Division Chief Natalie Walton Anderson says ending the agreement gives their office flexibility.
We also have the ability now to have criminal history disqualifiers that we did not have before. It allows us to look at, how many referrals does this person have?
Starting Monday, no new cases will be referred to the community court, and any outstanding cases that can't be resolved in the next 3 months will be prosecuted in municipal court. From Seattle tonight, Zach Anders, Fox 13 News.